So, before I try this for the first time, I first want to show you what my skin is looking like so that you can see if there's gonna be any improvement. So, as you can tell, there is just a little bit of overlying redness all over my face. I also do have pimples. As you can see right here, there's texture in my cheeks because this is really my struggle area. And overall, my skin is feeling a little bit tight and dry because it's winter in the UK, so it's crazy. Okay, so it's definitely very creamy. Oh my god, can y'all see that? It's pearly. It's like jewels for your face. Oh, the smell is honestly of nothing, but it is fragrance free, but still it kind of smells a little bit, I don't know, like something plasticky, but definitely a good kind of plastic, like the plastic that you would inject in your face, not the plastic that you throw away in the dump. Okay. I'm gonna tell you for free that this is feeling amazing on my skin. First Aid Beauty, you are aiding me so well. I'm not kidding, my skin is feeling just so refreshed and soothed. It doesn't seem stripped or tight at all, so this is definitely a good sign. I want to read the claims that First Aid Beauty is making so to see what we're gonna supposed to be expecting throughout this week. So, it removes the surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime. The face cleanser is an airy cream, definitely. It gently cleanses the skin. The formula is infused with a blend of botanical antioxidants to help stave off abuse of the elements. Well, this is absolutely not, I don't agree with the statement, but I'm gonna tell you why later on in this video, so make sure you keep watching as to why First Aid Beauty is straight up lying on their bottle. But it also says it is well suited for anyone with sensitive skin. So stay tuned. I want to read the ingredient list with you guys so we can better understand what this is supposed to be. Of course, I'm not gonna read the full ingredient list because ain't nobody got time, so I'm actually gonna tell you the main stars of the show, and of course, if there is anything bad that you should be aware of. So the cleansing agent is actually sodium cocoa isoflavonoate. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it actually is quite good. It is very gentle, non-stripping, so that's good. Glycerin, very moisturizing. It's a staple. Literally every skincare product contains it. There's allotonin, which is actually, again, very soothing and moisturizing. So as you can see, there definitely is this trend of moisturization in this cleanser, which I definitely really like. Then there's actually going to be feverfew extract, which is literally contained in basically all First Aid Beauty products. But this is truly an amazing ingredient because it is very soothing to the skin, and it really is good for reducing the redness and inflammation in the skin caused by acne, rosacea, inflammation, whatever it might be. So I specifically love it. Then there's actually going to be Camellia sinensis leaf extract, or better known as green tea. Green tea is an amazing ingredient. It actually contains epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which is one of the most powerful antioxidants that we know of. So the antioxidants that First Aid Beauty was referring to in the bottle. So not only is it going to protect us from the environmental stress and damage and protect our collagen from aging, but also green tea has very nice anti-inflammatory properties. So it's really, once again, going to soothe the redness, going to soothe the inflammation in the skin. And it also is great at inhibiting collagenase, which is basically the enzyme that breaks down collagen. So super anti-aging. Then there's going to be licorice root extract, which not only is anti-inflammatory and soothing for the skin, but it also is actually great at evening up the skin tone overall of your skin. So reducing any hyperpigmentation and dark spots in a natural way. So it's not going to be the most effective one, but it definitely is still good. Then there's actually going to be ascorbyl palmitate. This is a derivative of a vitamin C. It's not the purest form, so it's not going to be as effective, but it's neither going to be as irritating and stripping. Now, antioxidants are most beneficial in serum or in leave-on products forms, and in cleansers I usually don't like them. But as I said already, I'm going to expand later on this point down the end of the video, so keep on watching for that. But overall, this ingredient list is a 10 out of 10. It's day 5. I have to say my skin is feeling definitely very nice because it's not feeling stripped at all. It actually looks even smoother. I don't know, like it just feels also smoother, and on top of that, it doesn't feel squeaky at all, and also the tiniest amount more moisturized. But I actually now have my final thoughts and results with this, and ultimately I'm gonna tell you if it's worth spending your money on this or not, so keep watching. First Aid Boo Boo honey, welcome back to the channel. Can I just say I'm just a massive fan of yours already. I loved the moisturizer. That was top notch, amazing already, one of my favorites ever. And this cleanser, you also snapped with this as well.
I'm a massive fan of the dictionary. You know, we should be like promoting the dictionary anyway.
There are a few things that I necessarily don't agree with the way you executed this whole thing, but after all, I mean, you are First Aid, so I'm assuming that you didn't have much time to prepare, because we all know that natural disasters or just tragedies in general, we never know when they're gonna hit us. We never know how to plan. So I very much appreciate you that you came with a cleanser for for the girls very quickly in no time. As I always say, I can never be like you. I can never be a first responder like you are. I'm more like a fifth responder when it's all cleaned up by y'alls, and also the press and the cameras are allowed to be there, and I'm gonna be full front and center, just taking all the credit. That's what I am.
You're lucky that I'm gracing you with my ideas.
Having said that, this ingredient list is amazing as a hydrating cleanser, but I feel as though you could have cut it down to a little bit more simplistic ingredients, just because here's my peace of mind, okay? Here's my 2 cents. Let me show you. Take out the piggy bag because I want to put my 2 cents in, okay? First of all, I love the approach of the very gentle cleansing agents. Love the aloe vera, love the green tea, love the alatonin, love the feverfew extract. All of these are going to be super soothing for the skin and great for a gentle hydrating cleanser, which this is. But then you decided to go in on the bottle saying with fabulous antioxidant boosters. So now not only are you a gentle hydrating cleanser, but you're also claiming me to give us antioxidant protection from free radicals and just give us all the benefit that antioxidants do. And here's my problem. Antioxidants in cleansers, active ingredients in cleansers in general, they're not going to do much because we only cleanse our skin for 60 seconds or so, and they really have no time to penetrate into our skin, which active ingredients truly need like 30 minutes or so. 30 seconds ain't gonna do nothing. The only active ingredient that I kind of like in a cleanser is gonna be a niacinamide, like for example the Naturium niacinamide gelée. That is nice, but a cleanser with vitamin C's, with antioxidants, it just really needs a little bit more time to work. So that is why the sodium ascorbyl phosphate, I think it was, or just a derivative of vitamin C if I'm not mistaken, and the green tea, so the EGCG, they're just a little bit useless in a cleanser like this. In the moisturizer they would have been amazing, but in a cleanser they're not going to do much at all. So my thing is, why did you put it in? You could have maybe lowered the price and skipped on the antioxidants, even though I get that it is a marketing tactic, but I still love me a very good basic cleanser. I would say if I were to compare it to Cerave, which is always Cerave is the OG, First Aid Beauty is kind of in the same realm of Cerave, but just all their products are a little bit more stepped up. They're a little bit more bougier. So this would definitely equate to the hydrating cleanser from their Cerave. Like literally, I don't want to squeeze it out and waste it, but look at this consistency. This is not cleanser. This is not like jelly liquidy. This is a moisturizer. As far as the claim of removing surface oils, makeup, dirt, and grime, definitely the dirt, definitely the grime, and the oils maybe, but don't quote me on that. The makeup, you could definitely do a double cleansing method just using this, so cleansing 2 times with this instead of going in with an oil, and I would definitely see this as remove the makeup. So honestly, all these claims are here and approved for First Aid Beauty. This definitely is targeted for the dry, sensitive skin type, but I definitely think that my normal skin types, oily, acne-prone skin as well, would definitely love it. Even if you have normal or oily skin, the cleansing step is truly one of the places we can really F up your skin and really destroy it. So using cleansers that are targeted for oily skin types, you really have to pay attention to which one you're picking at, because some of them can have really harsh and stripping surfactants that really, when they foam up, they're gonna strip up all the moisture from your skin. So even though they might give you a very short-term reduction of sebum and you might feel happy, in the long run, it's actually gonna increase the oil production level in your skin and therefore actually make your skin even more oilier.
We'll pass it in the House and then we'll negotiate as we go forward. But what this is what this country needs.
Whereas if you were to use a gentle cleanser that is not going to strip your skin at all, actually moisturize it, really you're going to tell your skin, okay, I have a lot of moisture, I don't need to be overproducing all this oil. You can use this both in the morning, at night, at supper time. Literally all day, every day. She literally is like one of those horny teenage college boys. They're always ready to have sex, always ready to go, okay? They don't need any preparation. Honestly, I'm very curious to try basically all the range from First Aid Beauty, because as of now, it's looking very promising, and it might just skyrocket to my favorite brand on top of Cerave, on top of the Inculus, on top of Naturium. I would give you my affiliate link to Amazon, but once again, you can't buy this on no Amazons. So I think I bought this on Feel Unique or Look Fantastic or Beauty Bay, one of these 3, and it's actually gonna run you 16 Royal British pounds for 142 grams or 5 ounces. This really could last you 3 months like that. It's definitely worth it. 10 out of 10. Anyways, ma'am, this is the first thing that you saw mine might be interested into joining our family. All you have to do is literally subscribe to the back and also just send them elbows, because this, let me tell you, we're all about fighting acne, wrinkles, fine lines, and also cleansing your skin properly with the good cleansers. So if you do like to cleanse your face and not go to bed with makeup, which you should, shouldn't, then this is definitely the family for you, and we will love if you join. Mwah! You can also follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok, both from around, and there's a lot more skincare you won't see here that you are going to see there, and we can just deepen the connection and the bond that I feel between us two. You can literally see me 24/7 there, which I know that it's your dream. And now to the randoms who are still watching, you know, tone videos, now it's time for the time word of the video. And since this video was all about this gorgeous First Aid Beauty, what is the name of this cleanser? Just face cleanser, alright? They came in very boring, very simple, giving me very much Cerave vibes on this here. This is why I compare it all the time to Cerave. This fabulous antioxidant booster. The time of the video is going to be favoloso, which is going to be fabulous in English. Excuse me, ma'am, what do you think you're doing? You're not gonna click on this video. What you need to do is click one of these two videos right here. They're just gonna be as informative, informational, well as it is here, but why do that? Remember to random and always be random. And I swear you need to click one of these two, or if a tragedy happens to your skin and First Aid Beauty is gonna come to aid you in the first response, I'm not gonna come in the fifth responders, not even gonna come with a crew, with a camera crew, with the news, nothing. Not gonna give you showtime and report it, no live. So if you wanna be famous and appear in the news, click one of these two right here.